Okay, guys, so what's happening right now is there's some heat lightning happening all the way back there, but you have to really, yep, yeah, right there. You just have to really look closely to be able to see it. It's very faint. Oh, but that is cool looking too. But look at this. My God, look at this. It looks like an eye of a storm. Look at it. It's like because it's circling around. 2 years, seriously, twice. So far I've gotten storms like this on film. Oh. Oh, that is so cool. Look at the moon. It's being covered up by the clouds. Watch it disappear. And it looks like a sun. Yeah, it looks like a sun. When it's covered with the clouds, the moon. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot to upload this week. A lot. There's some good footage right here. Keep hearing that elevator. I've heard that go off so many times today, and it's only the first day. It looks so brighter on my camera, but it looks darker with just viewing it from your eyes. Okay, that is strange too. Seeing that heat lightning and having that music playing. Creepy. Ooh. Oh, I need a tripod.